Welcome back, Bando Bros. It's another beautiful Sunday, and I want to give you guys something to enjoy before you got to go back to work. I am Abandoned Maryland, and this beautiful building is what we're checking out today. This is an awesome building. I've seen it for years, and I don't know if I'll be able to get in this way. I've always wanted to explore it, but never had the opportunity. So let's see what we got going on here. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. I gotta climb up in here real quick. Interesting. Wonder what's up with all the bundles of newspaper. Tell me that's not strange. Look at that staircase though. That's amazing. Well, looks pretty gutted. There's a electric cord running to the basement. Ooh, them steps only go halfway. This place was for sale. There's my new whip. Ain't that nice? Don't fall up on me now. Ooh, look at that beehive. Y'all see that? Look at that. That's amazing. Whew. It's definitely not being upkept at all. Well, it's plenty of 2x4s. Looks like somebody was this ground's soft. Not the ground, but the floor is kind of soft. Let's go upstairs. There's books. Oh crap. For some reason there's books over there. The staircase is pretty awesome. You guys have the floor is rotted everywhere. There's a hard hat. There's a set of steps coming upstairs even further, but I can't even get to it because the floor is so bad. I don't want to fall through the floor today. That looks shady as shit. Yeah, this is close. I want to get to that bathtub. Yeah, I was hoping there was going to be more to this place, but unfortunately it has been lost to vandals and time. I'm glad I got to see it before it was gone now. The staircase is pretty awesome. Gotta admit that. We'll go do a little walk around outside too. Well, I wasn't expecting more out of this, but it is so dangerous in there that I can only go so far, and nobody knows I'm here. And the last thing you want to do is fall down and get injured inside of a building, especially in Maryland this time of year. It's pretty dang cold, and be out here freezing to death for a couple days until you finally fall off. Not a good idea. Oh, look, the moon's still right above it too. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep trying to bring you videos every Sunday, so make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll keep doing this. Appreciate you guys. Bye.